Well, we're sailing out of Athens. This is from inside the cabin. My God, look at all the shipping out here. All these ships are just...
Going to sleep.
That was the Wolverine going to sleep. We were playing videos, and we decided to go take a... Oh, look at this thing. It's another really busy port. And the seagulls are sailing with us. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Up, where to go? I can't get him. I'm having trouble with this camera again. I dropped it. Oh, here's another seagull. Can I get him? There he is. Just beautiful. It was raining the end of our tour and raining in port, and now it's just beautiful out. So it was good while we were on the tour. Went to the Acropolis and had a nice Greek lunch with way too much food.